Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. Today we will teach you a new way to extend your nails, the slim nails technique. The slim nails are great for any occasion. If you want a classy look or you simply want to make your fingers look longer and slender, you may want to try this out. We will be using a Rossi Gel Pro kit that has everything you need to create beautiful nail extensions. Always make sure you thoroughly prep the nails to ensure adhesion and long-lasting wear. Shorten your nail, push back cuticles, and roughen the texture of the nail plate by using a buffer. Paint a thin coat of Rossi primer and let it air dry for 30 seconds. Next, cover the natural nail with a thin layer of base coat. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Next, we will be applying a nail form. Set the form under the nail, making sure there are no big gaps between the form and the nail. Align the middle line of the form and the middle of the nail. For this nail design, tilt the form slightly upwards, as we don't want to form the classic apex and curvature. Next, take a bead of Rossi nail gel. Here we are using the shade Pearl Pink, and place it on the nail. Move it around to create a length. Dip a brush in some alcohol to smooth out the surface. Cure in Rossi LED nail lamp for 15 seconds. Simply pinch the nail using your fingers or tweezers to achieve a perfect shape. Do not put too much pressure. This step should never be painful. Finish curing in a lamp for 60 seconds. Remove the nail form and place another bead of Rossi nail gel. Move it in place using a spatula and smooth everything using the brush soaked in alcohol. This step is very important for creating the structure and strength of the nail. Cure for 60 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. Now it's time to file the nails. At this point in the process, you can really perfect the shape. Shape both sides so that it makes a peak in the center point. The nail tip must be pointed slightly upwards. Next, switch to the buffer and smooth out the entire surface. Remove any filing dust using a lint-free wipe soaked in alcohol. Apply a nice and even layer of Rossi top coat and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. As always, remember to massage Rossi Nourish cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate and you are done. The delicate nail shape is very flattering because it visually stretches the fingers and makes them look long and slender. This is a more advanced technique, so it may take some time to achieve the perfect look, so take your time and keep practicing. Thanks for watching! Let us know in the comments if you're going to try this shape. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe!